What's up, Tech fam? If you have ever had a crucial voice recorded by halfway through a lecture or sound like it was recorded in a tin can, you know the frustration. The market is flooded with recorders that sacrifice quality or battery life for size. But today, we are looking at a solution that seems to do it all. The Howabo V57 professional voice recorder. This compact, low profile device promises 128 GB of storage, 1536 kilobytes per second hi-fi sound, and nearly 2 days of battery life. We are skipping the unboxing and diving straight into the three core features that make the V56 a professional grade tool. Let's get into the specs. First up is capacity. This recorder is tiny, measuring just 2.55 inches by 0.87 inches, yet it holds a colossal 128 gigabytes of internal memory at its top recording resolution. That translates to storing over 1500 hours of audio. You are simply not going to fill this thing off. It offers truly massive storage that lets you record for weeks or months without needing to upload files to your personal computer via the USB Type-C interface. But storage is nothing without intelligence. The V56 utilizes voice activated recording. This is crucial features for efficiency. The recorder only initiates recording when a voice is detected. This means no wasted space recording silence during coffee breaks or pauses, which in turn dramatically prolongs your battery life. This system ensures you never miss a word while keeping your files lean and organized. Now for features that defines a recorder. The sound quality, the Howabo V56 delivers an industry-leading 1536 kilobytes per second recording resolution. This is far beyond what many standard recorders offers. The clarity comes from two specific technologies working together. A Pro AI audio chip. Second is acoustic enhancement noise filtering technology. It uses dual noise cancelling mics to capture crystal clear audio in any environment. Think about being in an eco-prone conference hall or a noisy packed classroom. The V56 actively isolates the voice, giving you a premium vocal precision. We tested this, and the difference is striking. It cuts through the ambient noise like a scalpel. The final piece of the professional puzzle is stamina. What good is 1500 hours of storage if the battery only lasts to the V56 tackles this with an incredible battery life. A quick 1.5-hour charge via the modern Type-C interface gives you an amazing 35 to 40 hours of continuous recording. This is ideal for students taking a week of intensive classes or anyone needing a reliable recording device that does not need constant babysitting. And despite all this power and capacity, it maintains an ultra portable design. It's lightweight, 1.23 ounces, fits anywhere, and features one button recording for effortless operation on the go. So, does the Howabo V56 live up to its promise? Absolutely. By combining massive 128 GB capacity, professional 1536 kilobytes per second hi-fi sound, and an unbelievable 35 to 40 hour battery life, this portable, easy to use device is the upgrade we recommend for anyone serious about capturing audio. Whether it's for lectures, meetings, or interviews, the V56 delivers reliable, high quality, high level performance. If you found this feature breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe to AJ Science and Tech for more deep dive gadget reviews. Links to the V56 are in the description below. See you next time.